Every single AI UGC ad flooding your feeds right now is not random chaos. It boils down to 10 repeatable formats. 10 structured formats accounting for every viral ad today. Right here on screen, all 10 formats are highlighted across 60 ad samples running simultaneously. Every ad on this wall was generated on Higgsfield. One platform handles all 10 formats. First up is the workhorse, Format 1, the UGC review.
I've been using this tumbler every day lately, and I didn't expect to like it this much. My drinks stay cold literally all day, which is kind of crazy. It doesn't leak, it fits in my car, and the handle is actually super comfortable. I just end up taking it with me everywhere now.
This is a direct, creator-led product breakdown. A realistic presenter holds the item, walks through key features, and delivers a natural recommendation. Format 2 is the ASMR unboxing.
Okay, mic check. All right, let's open the Pixel. Lid comes straight off, and there it is. Screen looks amazing. Listen to these clicks.
Here, the focus shifts to tactile sounds, close-up hand movements, and package reveals. Sensory satisfaction drives watch time, making it ideal for tech accessories, collectibles, and premium packaging. Format 3 is the Restocking ASMR. Organized, repetitive loading of shelves or fridges creates a hypnotic loop that keeps viewers locked in. It works exceptionally well for food, beverage, and pantry products. Format 4 is the before and after.
Look at this window, dust, fingerprints, and streaks everywhere. 2 sprays, then a firm wipe, vertical, then across. One last dry buff, and the glass goes crystal clear. If your windows look like this, grab a glass cleaner and do the 2-pass wipe. So satisfying.
A clear state change delivers immediate visual proof of effectiveness. Ideal for cleaning products, footwear restoration, and skincare solutions. Format 5 is the torture test. Pushing a product to extreme limits builds instant durability credibility. Perfect for rugged gear, phone cases, and high-performance items. Format 6 is the pet security cam.
See my security camera capture this funny little drink thief. I poured myself a drink and stepped away for 1 minute. My monkey thinks he is being very sneaky right now. Caught you red-handed sipping my strawberry drink. That's Slay drink, light fizzy strawberry and cream, and he loves it.
A fake security camera perspective captures humorous, unexpected animal behavior with high viral shareability. Unbeatable for pet products, snacks, and playful consumer brands. Format 7 is the street prank reveal.
$10 or the mystery box? Box. Whoa, that's actually sick!
2 actors in a public setting exchange a mystery box or trade products for genuine reactions. Great for apparel, gadgets, and novelty items. Format 8 is the cinematic macro. High frame rate close-ups emphasize texture, liquid motion, and premium craft. The gold standard for food, drinks, and luxury craftsmanship. Format 9 is the fantasy commercial.
Pink sparkle, held as treasure. Hands offer sweetness. Together, strawberry cream fizz, softly bright. Behold the modern masterpiece.
Transporting an everyday product into a surreal, historical, or fantasy art direction. Unforgettable framing for niche food, beverage, and design-led brands. Format 10 is the absurd spectacle.
Too good to resist? Chew.
Physics-defying visual gags and dramatic transformations that command full attention. This closes our loop. Extreme visual concepts that stop the scroll instantly. Which format fits your product? Food and beverage products shine in high-definition macro shots and sensory ASMR setups. Tech accessories and physical gadgets benefit directly from tactile unboxings and torture tests. Pet supplies and lifestyle items trigger the highest engagement through security cam humor and UGC reviews. 10 formats, 60 examples. Generated on Higgsfield. Link below. Hit subscribe for more AI video workflows every week.